Okay, so first, let's log into the cPanel. Oops. Excuse. Okay, so after logging in, let's click File Manager. And then let's click through public underscore HTML. Then hanapin niyo yung folder na websites. Then create a folder. And then rename it kung ano yung gusto niyo. For example, in this project, this folder will be named as InSquare. So create nyo folder. Then pasok tayo sa loob ng InSquare, and as you can see, wala siyang CGI bin, which is our Apache configuration. Later on, magkakaroon siya ng CGI bin pag nagpasok na tayo ng files dito sa loob. Okay, so we will extract WordPress with plugins, which already included dito sa root directory ni websites. Okay, so just right click, then click extract, then browse on the folder InSquare, and then click extract files. Okay, so after extracting, let's proceed to InSquare folder. Okay, so as you can see, maraming files na merong WP as their prefix. So WP stands for WordPress. So WP admin, dito nangyayari or nagpa-process lahat ng backend related kay WordPress, such as dashboard, post, pages. Kay WP content, nandito naman basically from the word itself, content ng both front end and back end. WP includes, nandito yung post type natin, which is the post, pages, comments, products, testimonials, and custom post types. And nandito rin yung custom taxonomies natin, such as WP underscore hooks, WP underscore filters, add underscore actions. So nandito siya sa WP dash includes. So index.php, let's view the index.php. So as you can see, first, dinefine niya as permanent variable or constant variable yung WP use themes as true. So meaning regardless kung wala kang theme or meron tayong default variable na WP use theme which will run as true. Next, loads the WordPress environment and template. So WordPress index.php requires rather the file wp-blog.header.php which will run the whole WordPress. Okay, so ayan ang use ni index.php. The next, si wp-config-sample.php. So ito yung ginagamit ni WordPress automatic installation or WordPress wizard as a file, and then din-duplicate niya to into WordPress-config wp-config.php, which we will see later on. So makikita nyo mamaya, magkakaroon ng wp-config.php dito below nitong file na to. Okay, but first, let us create a database. So we can create a database using these two. MySQL databases, which you will manually add a database name, a username, and password. And while the MySQL database wizard, automatic mo na siyang ira-run through. Hindi na pa isa-isa pa. Okay, so let's click on the MySQL database wizard. Okay, so let's create a new database. Let's say this is a database name called marketly underscore insq, or short for InSquare. Then click next step. The username will be the same. The password, let's use the default password. We also have the password generator. Kung gusto nyo na special characters or combination ng alphanumeric and special characters, pwede nyo gamitin to for security purposes. But for tutorial purposes, yung maikli lang muna yung gamitin natin. So, create user, and then check all privileges so that this user, marketly underscore insq, has the authority to alter, create, drop, execute, insert, update, trigger the whole database, or the tables rather. Then click next step. So we have now a user marketly underscore insq added to the database marketly underscore insq. So that's the thing that we needed para makapag-setup ng WordPress. So we will have our WordPress installation on the next tutorial.